Today we are going to be adding some designs to these stackable coffee mugs right here, and we're going to do that using our Cricut machine and some vinyl. I've already got my premium vinyl stuck to my standard grip Cricut mat. So now I'm going to bring in my Cricut Explorer Air 2. I'm going to make sure that my dial here is set to vinyl. And I'm going to go to my phone, which is where I have the Cricut Design Space app. And everything is ready to go. So I'm going to click on continue. And then it's reminding me again to make sure it's set to vinyl. And the blade is the fine point blade, and I'm ready to load my mat. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my Cricut, load my mat, hit the blinking light, and then hit this blinking light again, and now it's going to cut my design. Now I did cut 2 of each of the designs because I want my cup to have a design on each side. This light is blinking, so that means I can eject my mat. And I am done with the Cricut for now. Move my vinyl from the mat and replace the cover. Before I weed, I like to cut my designs apart, especially since these are so little, the words are so little. It will be easier to weed if I have each design or each piece on its own. To weed, I've got this little tool, picking tool by Cricut that kind of looks like a dentist pick. And it's just going to help me remove that extra vinyl that I don't need. I have all of my little things weeded here. And so now I am ready to start applying them to my cups. Here are the cups, the stacking cups that I am going to use. Now before I take them out of their base, I'm going to use a dry erase marker, and I'm just going to note where these lines are on the rack, because I want all of my text to line up. So I'm just going to draw a line. And I printed out 2 sides, or cut out 2 sides. So I'm going to do the same to the opposite side too, because you want everybody to be able to read them, whether you're left-handed or right-handed, as well as if somebody else was in the room. You'd want them to be able to read it too. So now I can go ahead and take these out of the rack. And we are going to use a strip of transfer tape to pick up our little designs here. Now this little strip of transfer tape can be used over and over again. So you don't need a ton of transfer tape, you really just need one little piece that will fit right over. So we're gonna apply that to the top, and this is gonna let us move that vinyl design all at one time to our cup. So we've got espresso yourself, and we're going to carefully peel back that paper. Make sure we get all of those little pieces, even the dot to our exclamation point, stuck on our transfer tape. Like so. And then we are going to apply to our cup. And just rub that into place. Now I used premium vinyl because premium vinyl is actually top shelf safe in the dishwasher. So you can still run these mugs through the dishwasher. No worries, and you won't have to worry about losing your cute little decal stickers. Have a beautiful day. Now let's do the other side. Okay, and we're gonna line up this one. and rub it on. Aren't they so cute? This is a great gift idea or just a fun way to have something personal on display in your kitchen. Livin' La Vida Mocha. All right, now that they're all applied, we can just rub off that dry erase marker and put them in our cool little rack. And look at these super cute mugs. Have a beautiful day. Espresso yourself. I don't give a frap. Where you been all my life? Pardon my French roast and livin' La Vida Mocha. Aren't these so fun? These are going to look so great on my counter. I'm excited to display them. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. While you're here, I would love for you to join or to follow my YouTube channel and also check out my home base, thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everybody. Bye and happy crafting.